Ever wondered how much it really costs to make stuff? That's where COGM swoops in. COGM stands for Cost of Goods Manufactured. It's the total cost of turning raw materials into shiny new products. Think ingredients, labor, and even the factory rent. Knowing your COGM is like having X-ray vision for your business. You see exactly where your money goes. This helps you price products right, spot cost overruns, and boost those profits. Don't worry, this isn't advanced calculus. We're diving into the world of manufacturing, but don't let the numbers intimidate you. The COGM formula, or cost of goods manufactured, is surprisingly simple. It's a fundamental concept that helps businesses understand their production costs. COGM equals beginning inventory plus direct materials plus direct labor plus manufacturing overhead minus ending inventory. Let's break it down step by step to make it crystal clear. Beginning inventory is what you had on hand at the start. Imagine walking into your warehouse on the first day of the month and seeing all the raw materials and unfinished products. That's your beginning inventory. Direct materials are the stuff that goes directly into your product. Think of it as the essential ingredients. For example, if you're baking bread, flour is a direct material. If you're building cars, metal parts are your direct materials. Direct labor is the wages for the folks making your awesome products. These are the hardworking individuals on the assembly line, the bakers in the kitchen, or the machinists in the workshop. Their efforts are directly tied to the creation of your products. Manufacturing overhead includes those pesky indirect costs like factory rent, utilities, and machine depreciation. These are the costs that keep the factory running but aren't directly tied to any one product. Think of it as the background expenses that support the entire production process. Ending inventory is what you're left with at the end of the period. It's the snapshot of your warehouse at the end of the month, showing all the raw materials and unfinished products still on hand. Easy peasy, right? By understanding each component of the COGM formula, you can get a clear picture of your production costs and make informed business decisions. Knowing your COGM helps you set the right prices for your products, manage your budget effectively, and identify areas where you can cut costs. It's a powerful tool for any manufacturing business. So next time you look at your production numbers, remember the COGM formula. It's not just a bunch of numbers, it's a roadmap to understanding your business better. With this knowledge, you can drive your company towards greater efficiency and profitability. And there you have it. The COGM formula demystified. Now go ahead and apply this formula to your business and watch how it transforms your understanding of production costs. Happy manufacturing! COGM isn't just for accountants in stuffy suits. It's a powerful tool for any business owner. Here's why. Pricing power. Know your costs, set the right prices, and watch the profits roll in. Cost control. Spotting cost overruns early on? That's COGM in action, saving you money. Efficiency boost. See where your production process is lagging and streamline for maximum efficiency. COGM. It's like having a financial advisor, efficiency expert, and pricing guru all rolled into one. Section 4. COGM in action. A delicious example. Today, we're diving into the world of baking to understand how the cost of goods manufactured, or COGM, plays a crucial role in running a successful bakery. Imagine the sweet aroma of freshly baked cupcakes filling the air as we explore this delicious example. Let's say you run a bakery, baking delicious cupcakes. Every day, your team of skilled bakers works tirelessly to create these delightful treats that bring joy to your customers. But behind the scenes, there's a lot more going on than just mixing ingredients and decorating cupcakes. Here's how COGM works its magic. It's not just about the ingredients, it's about understanding the entire process and the costs involved in creating your mouth-watering cupcakes. From the moment you start measuring flour to the final touch of sprinkles, every step has a cost associated with it. Beginning inventory. You have $50 worth of flour, sugar, and sprinkles. These are the essential ingredients that you already have in your inventory at the start of the week. They are the foundation of your cupcake creations. Direct materials. You buy $100 more of these yummy ingredients. This means you need to restock your supplies to ensure you have enough to meet the demand for your cupcakes. Fresh ingredients are key to maintaining the quality and taste that your customers love. Direct labor. Your awesome bakers earn $150 for their cupcake creating skills. Their expertise and hard work are invaluable. They mix, bake, and decorate each cupcake with precision and care, ensuring that every batch is perfect. Manufacturing overhead, rent, utilities, and oven depreciation add up to $50. These are the additional costs that keep your bakery running smoothly. From the electricity that powers your ovens to the rent for your cozy storefront, these expenses are all part of the manufacturing process. Ending inventory. You have $20 worth of ingredients left at the end of the week. This is what's left after all the baking is done. It's important to keep track of this to understand how much of your initial inventory was used and how much remains for the next week. Time to crunch the numbers. Now that we have all the necessary information, it's time to calculate the cost of goods manufactured. This will give us a clear picture of the total cost involved in producing our delicious cupcakes for the week. COGM equals 50 plus 100 plus 150 plus 50 minus 20, which equals $330. By adding up the beginning inventory, direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead, and then subtracting the ending inventory, we arrive at the total cost. That means your delicious cupcakes cost $330 to make this week. Understanding COGM helps you manage your costs effectively, ensuring that your bakery remains profitable while continuing to delight your customers with every bite. So, the next time you enjoy a cupcake, remember the detailed process and costs that go into making it a reality. Section 5, COGM versus COGS versus TMC, Unraveling the Acronyms. Feeling lost in a sea of acronyms? Let's clear things up. COGM, cost of manufacturing finished goods during a specific period. COGS, cost of goods sold during a specific period. This is calculated using COGM TMC, total manufacturing cost, including both finished goods and work in progress. Think of it like this. COGM is the cost of baking the cupcakes, COGS is the cost of the cupcakes you sold, and TMC is the cost of everything happening in your bakery. Section 6. Cloud Power, level up your COGM game. Remember those clunky spreadsheets? Good news, there's a better way. Cloud manufacturing software is here to save the day. These handy tools automate your COGM calculations, track inventory in real time, and give you instant insights into your production costs. It's like having a super-powered accounting assistant in your pocket. Section 7. COGM Facts, your burning questions answered. Welcome to the section where we address all your burning questions about the cost of goods manufactured, or COGM. This is a crucial concept for anyone involved in manufacturing, whether you're running a large-scale operation or a small business. Let's dive in and clear up some common queries. Q, why should I care about COGM? This is a question we hear often, and it's a valid one. Understanding COGM is not just for accountants or financial analysts. It's for anyone who wants to run a successful manufacturing business. A, because it helps you make more money. When you have a clear grasp of your COGM, you can make informed decisions that directly impact your bottom line. It's not just about numbers, it's about understanding the story those numbers tell. COGM helps you price your products right, control costs, and boost efficiency. By knowing your COGM, you can set competitive prices that attract customers while ensuring you make a profit. It also helps you identify areas where you can cut costs without compromising on quality. Q, is COGM only for big companies? Nope. This is a common misconception. While large corporations certainly benefit from understanding their COGM, small and medium-sized businesses can gain just as much, if not more. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from understanding their COGM. Whether you're a local artisan or a growing startup, knowing your COGM can help you scale efficiently and sustainably. Q, can I calculate COGM on my own? A, absolutely. You don't need a degree in finance to figure this out. With the right tools and a bit of guidance, anyone can calculate their COGM. Use the formula, a spreadsheet, or even better, cloud manufacturing software. There are plenty of resources available to help you, from simple spreadsheets to advanced software that can automate the process for you. Q, what if my COGM is too high? Time to investigate. High COGM can be a red flag, but it's also an opportunity to improve. Don't panic. Instead, take a closer look at your operations. Look for ways to reduce material costs, improve labor efficiency, and streamline your processes. Sometimes, small changes can make a big difference, or cut down on overhead expenses. Overhead costs can often be trimmed without affecting the quality of your products. Consider energy-efficient lighting, renegotiating supplier contracts, or even optimizing your workspace to reduce waste. By understanding and managing your COGM, you can make smarter decisions that lead to a more profitable and efficient business. So, take the time to dive into your numbers, ask the right questions, and don't be afraid to make changes. Your bottom line will thank you.